Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a countdown on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To add a countdown timer on your Squarespace site, you have a few options. Number one is once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the profile icon and click the account dashboard. This will lead to the Squarespace website builder. And from here, all I have to do is click the add block here. We're gonna use a code block with custom HTML or JavaScript. Okay, so here, all I have to do is click the code. And the code is something like around here. I'm gonna put the timer around here. All right, so now the next option is I'm gonna go to two different platforms that you can explore. Number one is using a third-party plugin by ElfSign. As you can see, they offer a Squarespace countdown timer plugin. You can increase excitement on your website with the help of engaging timers and counts. You have for example, Black Friday sale banner, countdown timer, special offer banner, urgency countdown. So there's a lot that you can choose from. Event start countdown, limited shipping banner, wedding countdown, launch countdown, stock countdown, and a lot more. I'm gonna be choosing the stock countdown because I find the launch countdown right here. Now, for you to be able to put that on Squarespace, I want you to click the continue with this template, the green button right here. Click that, and it would forward you to these options. You can have installed to required position, static top banner, floating top banner, or floating bottom banner. So it's up to you on what do you want to put it in here. You can put a message before timer. In this case, what I'm going to do is simply I'm gonna put in a little bit of information. I'm not gonna put in launching soon, but instead I'm gonna put in how to add a countdown on Squarespace. Now all I have to do is click the button right here that says add to website for free, and you would be forwarded here in this section where we can click the embed code or copy. I'm gonna rename this as, all right. Now the most important step is you might want to click the publish button on the upper right corner. And of course, we're not gonna deal with the paid subscription plan. We're gonna opt to the free plan for now. Click on select. Now, once it's selected, as you can see, we can simply copy the code right here. All right. Now, I'm going to switch over to the Squarespace website builder. Now here, I'm gonna click on edit. I'm gonna type it in. I'm gonna click on the preview and save mode. Now, as you can see, it's not being shown here. If you click on preview and save mode, it's not, you need to click on save because as it says, you need to view the page after logging out for accurate rendering. All right. So let's exit and click that. But if you don't have it here, as you can see, we can't find the, it should be on top of the page. If you can't, just click on the cog settings here. There's going to be a gear icon or the cog icon. Click that and go to the advanced and click the page header code injection. I'm going to click that. Inject code in the page heads tag. Click on save. Hopefully we can see the rendered countdown timer here in Squarespace. I'm gonna press Ctrl F5 to refresh. Normally it'll appear here. Now, if the timer is not appearing here, all I have to do is wait for a few minutes and get back to your website, because probably the site is down, or the website is buggy, or probably you don't have any active internet connection at the moment. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.